Running the John Deere SmartWeigh scale on a job site has been described by operators as simple, consistent, and accurate. The system can either be set up with a target weight or without. If auto capture is enabled, once the bucket reaches a set weight capture point, the weight is locked in. If auto capture is turned off, pressing the weight capture button will also lock in the desired weight. Currently, this loader is set up with a target weight of 12 tons. The system is active and no weight has been added to the truck. The current weight capture point is 40%. SmartWeigh runs dynamic weighing. As soon as material is in the bucket, a weight will begin to appear. When the bucket is at the desired position, simply press weight capture or run it with auto capture and it will lock in once the boom is above the operator set weight capture point. Move the loader to the truck or hopper and dump. When the dump cycle is complete, SmartWeigh will add this amount to the truck and remove it from the target. If no target is selected, it will simply add it to the truck weight. When taking the next pass, the operator will fill the bucket to complete the desired truck amount. Since the scale is dynamic, if a bucket is overfilled, simply dump off some of the pile until the desired fill is reached. Press the Add Truck button to reset for the next truck. Another option in SmartWeigh is if the truck is left a little light, it can be configured to tip off to truck mode. Simply get a bucket of material that covers the remainder needed. The operator can press and hold the weight capture button once a weight is locked in to activate tip off to truck mode. This will allow the operator to see what is currently in the bucket and in the truck. Begin to dump into the truck and the weight will go up until the desired weight is met. The set target will also decrease. Once the truck has the desired amount, press the Add Truck button to reset for the next run.